Hello and welcome back to 12 Days of DIY, day 11. For our first DIY, we are starting with a piece of scrap wood and using hot glue, adding 5 ornaments to our bottom layer, making sure our first layer is even, then hot gluing the center ornament directly in the middle. From there, hot gluing all of the other ornaments in place, and then moving on to the next row and hot gluing each ornament in between the two underneath it. Once all of our ornaments are on, adding a bow to the very top, and our ornament tree is complete. For this next project, starting with a piece of floral wire and stringing on some beads. Then wrapping the floral wire together to seal it off. Adding some jute cord to hang it from and using it to create a bow as well. And here we have some mini beaded wreath ornaments. For this last DIY, I'm using ornaments in 2 sizes, 1 large and 2 small. Just pressing the tip of the hot glue gun into the ornament so it creates a hole, and doing that on both sides of the larger ornament. Then sticking the smaller ornament into the hole that we created with the hot glue gun and doing that on both sides.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Then hot gluing a bow on top of our ears, putting an ornament cap on, and our Minnie Mouse ornaments are all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in day 12 of 12 Days of DIY.